Okay, so I need to clean out the dryer vent after the blizzard of 2016. Here is the snow wall I have to get through. This is a drift, and the dryer vent's on the other side of the house. So I'm going to try to do this without dropping my phone in the snow. I'm actually going on my knees. It feels like it's preventing me from slipping in. There's the gate. You can see that the snow is halfway up the gate. I might just jump over it to get in. Oh, just hit a soft patch. I'm digging in. I dropped my phone here. I may never find it. I'm digging in a little bit, so I'm going to pull myself up and start over at the top. There we go. There we go. Well, you get the idea. That's how far I've gone. And there's the drift on the side of the fence. Here's our friend's house. Okay, part 2 coming up shortly.